You're now ready for the next step: Bluetooth pairing and smartphone connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Before we start, please remember that setting up a new Bluetooth device cannot be done while the vehicle is in motion. Immediately after you've linked your Toyota app profile to your vehicle, the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen will automatically prompt you to begin Bluetooth setup. Tap Yes. If you do not see the prompt, tap the gear icon to view driver settings. From here, tap Bluetooth and Devices. Next, check that your smartphone has been Bluetooth enabled. Tap Search for Devices and select your phone from the list of available devices found. The touchscreen and your phone should both show the same 6-digit code. If the codes match, tap Pair on your phone and OK on the touchscreen to create the connection. Your smartphone will now ask if you'd like to sync your contacts and favorites. Tap Allow to start the sync. After your smartphone is connected to your vehicle via Bluetooth, the system will automatically ask if you'd like to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply tap Yes on the touchscreen, followed by Connect on the prompt displayed on your phone, and eligible apps will be mirrored on your touchscreen. To exit Apple CarPlay, tap the 2 arrows in the top left corner of the Apple CarPlay dashboard. From here, you can tap the feature you want to access. Switching back to Apple CarPlay is just as easy. Simply tap the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner to return.
The process for Android users is similar.
Tap the Toyota app icon on the Android Auto interface to be brought back to the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. Just as with Apple CarPlay, you can return to Android Auto by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. After setting up Bluetooth in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen should display the program shown when you last turned off your vehicle. For instance, if you were playing Apple CarPlay on your last trip and you begin your next trip with your smartphone on and Bluetooth enabled, the Toyota Audio Multimedia system should default to displaying Apple CarPlay. If a Bluetooth connection is interrupted, you may need to reselect your connections. To do so, tap the gear icon from the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen, select Bluetooth and Devices, and tap the device you wish to connect. Additionally, from here, you can adjust the settings for the Bluetooth connection for any smartphone device. If you prefer a more integrated experience with access to various smartphone apps like messaging, navigation, and streaming services, select Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you prefer using the Toyota Audio Multimedia system to make hands-free calls, select Use for Phone. To stream audio via Bluetooth, you can also select Use for Media.
Oh, oh, oh.